We made it. We're at the airport. So we got all the way to our gate with like 2 minutes to spare, and they changed the gate. Okay, so there's been a medical emergency on the plane, the one that we're supposed to be on. So we are now waiting. We were in a hurry. We were worried that we were late, and now we're waiting. We found lucky pennies in our seat. Peanut butter sandwiches for the win. So we're just sitting here, and there's a tiny bird. I think it's a wren because it's really little, and it's just like hopping around in this foliage. We found where we're going, and there's a Chick-fil-A right across the street, and there are actual flowers on the table. It's so elegant. Yeah. Okay. Yep. We just saw the cowboy in his underwear. Is he right back there?
Yeah.
Playing his guitar in his underwear. Are in Times Square. No, thank you. We're in Times Square, and all of the fun that is Times Square. It's so much fun. This is really cool. I just wanted to get footage of it. It probably doesn't pick up as well, but it's really...
A lot of really thin lines.
Yeah, it looks really neat. Yep. This is your first time seeing this. What do you think?
It's mesmerizing. Taking a video.
We're back in the same spot, and we have Shake Shack. We have just boarded the plane. And now his hair is out of his face. we're just sitting on the runway. We're just like in a line of airplanes, I think. I don't know. Final clip. He's asleep. This day was amazing.